Welcome again. Today we are going to look at setting dynamic drop-down lists in data validation of Excel. So we have this data, which is on companies, industries, and in region. Then these are our lists based on the data that is already existing, okay? So we want that if we update a company here, it appears in our drop-down list, which we are going to set, the same as industry, the same as region. And we also want that if we add any entry here, it becomes consolidated in the data that we already have. So to begin with, I can set this data to a table by highlighting and simply selecting Ctrl T. Okay, so I will have my table here. I can choose a different design that I may prefer. Let me choose this one. And well, to set up a drop down for the company column, I can just come and highlight this. Then I go to data and then data validation and push this here. This is company, so I want to go to settings. Then I want to get from a list. So I pick a list. Now instead of going to source and highlight this, which is the normal one, when I do this, if I come and add another company, it may not pick it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write a formula, which I'm going to show you, of course. So the formula is simple. I come and write offset. Then I come and select the very first company, which is E7. I put 3 commas and then count A. Then I can highlight. I can maybe put like up to 100, depending on the companies I think I might have. So this is the same formula which shall work when we are setting up these other guys, okay? So I come and press OK. So basically what this formula does, offset picks out a reference in column E starting from E7, every non-empty cell from here going down, it shall pick it. So I need to add another bracket to cover for this one. There are 2 brackets, okay? So I press OK. So my drop down will come. All right. Okay. So that is the same thing we can do for industry and region. So let me do it very fast. All right. So when I come here, it brings me the regions. And when I come here, it brings me the industries. And when I come here, it will bring me the companies. So since this is a table, if I write anything down, it shall create a row. So I can now choose which one is it. Okay. So think about a scenario. Let's say you've added a company like Tesla, maybe SpaceX. We use these common companies which everyone knows. This is still automotive, so we already have automotive. We may not put that. Industry, this is space. Let me add space. Okay. Maybe let me add region like Midwest. Okay, Midwest is already there. Okay, maybe Mid East and Central. Can even add Southern. It's not a must that, yeah. Let's say all these are the regions that I have. These are the companies. So when I want to come and add Tesla, I will just drop, and now Tesla will be down. So it will pick it as long as you add it. Tesla is in automotive, so I select automotive, and let's say it is in the Southern. So I want to add another thing, another company, SpaceX. I'll select SpaceX, and this is in space waste. Okay, so this is how you make a dynamic drop-down list. Thank you. I'm going to put a formula in the description. For any questions, write in the comment box and we'll be happy to respond to all of them. See you later.